Hello students, we are going to discuss about psychrometric chart problems. A mixture of nitrogen acetone vapor at 800 mmHg and 25 degrees Celsius has percentage saturation of 80%. Calculate first one absolute humidity, second one partial pressure of acetone, third one absolute molar humidity, fourth one volume percentage of acetone. Assume vapor pressure of acetone at 25 degrees Celsius as 190 mmHg. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here you read the problem carefully. First identify the system. Acetone is a vapor, nitrogen is a gas. So which one is the A component, which one is the B component? From this problem, acetone is the A component, nitrogen is the B component. Are you clear or not? Okay. So what is the total pressure? 800 mmHg. Temperature is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. Additional one data are given, percentage saturation, that is equal to 80. So here vapor pressure of acetone is given 190 mmHg. Vapor pressure notation PS, capital PS. So objective of this problem, the first one absolute humidity, capital H. Second one partial pressure of acetone, capital PA of acetone. Third part absolute molar humidity, capital HR. Fourth one volume percentage of acetone. Are you clear or not? Okay, one by one we will discuss. Now we are going to discuss about the solution part. Second division, percentage saturation. Why I am going to choose this part? Why? Because percentage saturation is given in our problem. So that's why we are going to discuss first percentage saturation. Percentage saturation formula, Pa by P minus Pa into P minus Ps by Ps into 100. So here percentage saturation is given data. Take that value, substitute here. Capital P is given 800 mmHg. So substitute this value, find out capital Pe. After substituting percentage saturation and capital P value, finally we get capital Pa is equal to 160 mmHg. Are you clear? This is the second division. Third division, absolute molar humidity. Hm is equal to Pa by P minus Pe. So here Pa is the calculated value. Substitute here. Find out absolute molar humidity, that is Hm. Hm is equal to 0.25. Unit of Hm, kilomole of acetone per kilomole of nitrogen. So the A component acetone, B component nitrogen. First division, absolute humidity. Once you know the absolute molar humidity, easily determine the absolute humidity value. So this is the relationship between capital H and Hm. H is equal to Hm into Ma by Mb. For our case, A component acetone, B component nitrogen. Hm values are already calculated value. Substitute here. Molecular weight of acetone 58. Molecular weight of nitrogen 28. Substitute here. Find out absolute humidity 0.517 in weight basis. So what is the unit of absolute humidity? Kg of acetone divided by kg of nitrogen. Last division we are going to calculate volume percentage of acetone. How to calculate volume percentage of acetone? From ideal gas law. Ideal gas law, Pv is equal to nRT, V is equal to nRT by P. So we need volume of acetone and volume of nitrogen. One by one we will discuss. First we are going to calculate volume of acetone. The formula nRT by P. So we need total number of moles here. How to calculate total number of moles or n value? See the slide in the right side. Capital Hm is equal to 0.25 kilomole of acetone per kilomole of nitrogen. This is the calculated value. This is absolute molar humidity. From that, number of moles of acetone is equal to 0.25 kilomole. This is the numerator value. Denominator, per mole of nitrogen, that's why number of moles of nitrogen 1 kilomole. Capital R is a constant value. Capital R depends upon the pressure, temperature and volume. Depends upon the pressure means the pressure unit is a mmHg. That's why the capital R values are 62.363 meter cube mmHg divided by kilomole Kelvin. So in terms of mmHg, the capital R values are 62.363. Are you clear? Okay. So the temperature is given, the ordinary temperature 25 degrees Celsius. The converted into Kelvin 298 Kelvin plus 273 means 298 Kelvin. Pressure is given 800 mmHg. Are you clear? Okay. Now we are ready to calculate volume of acetone. Here number of moles is known, R is known, T is known, P is known. Substitute here. Find out volume of acetone 5.784 meter cube. Next we are going to calculate volume of nitrogen. Similarly, volume of nitrogen is equal to nRT by P. For our case, the number of moles of nitrogen 1, capital R is a constant, T is given, capital P is given. Substitute all the values. Find out volume of nitrogen 23.23 meter cube. We need total volume. Total volume is nothing but volume of acetone plus volume of nitrogen. So we have two values, summation of these two. Finally we get capital V is equal to 29.01 meter cube. This is our objective, volume percentage of acetone. How to calculate volume percentage of acetone? Individual volume divided by total volume into 100. Individual volume of acetone as per the problem 5.784. Total volume 29.01 multiplied by 100. Finally we get volume percentage of acetone is equal to 19.93%. Thank you for your attention.